Imagine a world where your pizza is delivered by a drone, your car drives itself to work, and your warehouse is staffed by robots that don't need lunch breaks. Welcome to 2025, the age of autonomous systems. Autonomous systems are machines that make decisions and complete tasks without human input. They use sensors, AI, and a lot of brain power, well, silicon brain power, to navigate the world around them. You've seen them around already: self-driving cars, delivery drones, warehouse robots, even self-checkout machines that judge you silently when you scan bananas as carrots. Let's start with the road-ruling champs, self-driving cars. In 2025, companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Cruise are rolling out vehicles that drive themselves. No hands, no feet, no screaming at traffic. Waymo is offering robo-taxi rides in Phoenix and San Francisco. Cruise cars are ditching the steering wheel altogether. And Tesla, well, Elon's still calling his tech full self-driving, while lawyers call it not quite. These cars use a cocktail of LiDAR, radar, cameras, and AI to make decisions. They're surprisingly good at not running over cones, better than humans in some cases. Now let's go airborne. Drones are soaring in 2025, and they're not just filming weddings anymore. Delivery drones are dropping off packages, medical supplies, and maybe your next burrito. Farm drones are spraying crops, and emergency drones are saving lives. It's like having flying superheroes with propellers. These drones use obstacle avoidance tech and AI flight control. Basically, they can dodge trees, birds, and nosy neighbors, all on their own. Meanwhile, back on the ground, robots are rolling into every industry. In warehouses, they're zooming around faster than your latest Amazon Prime order. Manufacturing robots assemble your gadgets with the precision of a surgeon. Healthcare robots deliver meds, sanitize rooms, and even assist in surgery. And yes, some have actual names and personalities. In hotels, you might be greeted by a robot concierge. It doesn't judge your suitcase size or how many hotel shampoos you take. Progress. Why are we doing all this? Because autonomous systems offer big benefits: fewer mistakes, lower costs, more efficiency, and no coffee breaks. But not everything's perfect. Job displacement is real. Ethical dilemmas pop up. And hacking an autonomous system? Still a possibility. So yeah, maybe keep your robot's Wi-Fi password strong. Still, 2025 is only the beginning. We're heading toward drone swarms, flying taxis, and smart cities where machines talk to each other while we sip coffee. In short, the machines aren't rising, they're helping. Driving, flying, delivering, diagnosing, and making life a bit easier. Unless you're a traffic cop or a pizza delivery guy. Stay safe, stay secure, and welcome to the future. It's fast, it's smart, and yes, it drives itself. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.